Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I'm about to pick the winner of the end of winter giveaway, which was a giveaway that I posted about 3 weeks ago. I told you guys that I was going to be picking a winner on March 20th because this is the spring equinox, and my next giveaway is going to be spring theme, so you guys can look for that tomorrow. But for now, we are going to focus on the end of winter giveaway here. We've got the winter rose here, and we've got the Lion Brand ice cream big scoop. We've got the Stitch Please that I ended up doing a dye video on, so that's no longer white, it's now dyed, and the dyed one will go out to you. We've got the Noro, the shawl in a ball, and all of the red heart yarn as well, and this great bag. All of that kind of stuff is in the giveaway. So we are over at the YouTube comment picker, and so I have put the YouTube video link here. I have filtered out duplicate users, and I have excluded myself. I usually do not comment on my giveaways, but just in case, I always filter myself out just to make sure. Let's see here. I'm going to be showing some random names, and I solved this math problem. So right now I'm going to hit this, and we're going to find out how many people entered this giveaway, and I think this might be a record for me. I think that the highest amount was like 415, something like that. I think there's more, but we'll see. So I'm gonna find out how many people entered to win. Okay, 434. I think that's a new record, so that's awesome. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and being a part of this. Oh, here we go. So here's how it works. This is going to just randomly select a comment. Okay, I'm going to hit this start button. I've got some like yarn on there. Sorry about that. I'm going to click the start button, and you're going to see some names kind of like flash around, and it's going to land on one. Now the name that it lands on, that's going to be the person who wins this giveaway. So I'm about to start it. Good luck, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Let's see who wins. All right, Denise Faust. And Denise writes, I love winter. I love your answer. It would really be my answer too. And the answer is, the question is, what are you going to miss about winter? And I had said that, you know, I'm really a homebody, so I'm going to miss having the excuse to stay in. I love reading books. I love crocheting blankets. I love drinking tea. There's just so many great things about winter for the match my personality. I am a major homebody, and I love to snuggle up and crochet or read a book. I totally get you. I will miss the cooler weather. It never gets super cold here in South Louisiana. Oh, hey, we are neighbors. I'm here in Arkansas, and it doesn't get super cold. No, gets colder than in South Louisiana, but it does not get super cold. Thanks for your generosity, and good luck to everyone. Well, that's so nice, Denise, that you said that, because you happen to be the lucky one who won this giveaway. So everybody else, go ahead and congratulate Denise for her win. And Denise, what I'm going to need from you is for you to find my email. Now you can find that in the description, or you can find it in the comment that I'm going to be pinning to this video. And it's nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com, but go ahead and find it. That way you can make sure you get the spelling right and all of that. And I just need for you to send me a mailing address where I can send your giveaway goodies, and I'll get it out to you. So that said, congratulations, Denise. Thank you guys so much for saying your own congratulations, and for entering, and for subscribing to my channel and being such great subscribers. I love the community we have here, and know that I have another giveaway that's going to be posted tomorrow, and it is going to be all spring themed, and it's going to be amazing. So I'm really looking forward to posting that. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye for now.